Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a a smooth slow motion to your video in CapCut. So select the clip you want to add the slow motion to, press the speed button, go to normal, and if you want to make it slower, drag it to the 0.x speed. So for instance, 0.7x speed. Click on the Make It Smoother. You can either choose from faster process or better quality, but I'm just going to choose better quality. Press the checkmark button and wait for the slow motion to apply. This can take a while. For instance, if your video is longer, it'll take more time for it to apply. As you can see, you can make videos shorter to speed up process. And that is basically it. The slow motion will be smoother. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!